Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Forget chocolates. What your Valentine really wants is a great way to make beer at home. Hey, you can always try. The Beermakr home brewing system is designed for true aficionados who may be experienced or absolute beginners. The Beermakr machine is designed to be foolproof, using ingredients sold in kits or purchased on your own. Add them into the brewing chamber along with water, get things going with the Beermakr app, and it's all automated from there. Co-founder and CEO Aaron Walls says the app keeps you informed as the process goes along.
It will show you exactly what stage the fermentation's in. It'll manage the temperature by the fermentation.
All the tricky stuff handled by the countertop machine. And you can customize the recipe to your heart's content. Very smart. Find more at Beermkr.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.